making beans actually. We call it dal in Nepali, and in our camera there is my friend from Ghana, Aslam is there. I am teaching him how to make dal. So here we are making some pasta. It's boiling right now. So I have told in the process, first we put some oil. When the oil is really hot, then we put some garlic, coriander, fenugreek seed, then some tomatoes, and what did we put? Some onion. Now we mix it well, and now let's put some water here. It depends on the quantity of lentils you are using. Let's put some this is the turmeric powder. See, this gives the yellow color in the lentils. Okay, now we are ready. Let's put some more water directly from the tap. This is the pure water from Mississippi River. Okay, so let's put it and we're done. So let's close the lid and let it cook. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare this. This is actually pasta, but we are going to prepare it in a Nepalese street noodle style. We need some water. Aslam, it's already. Okay. It's sticking, man. It's sticking. We are so busy recording our video, we forgot about our pasta. So now let's remove it first. We can pause now. Aslam, you're not pausing. Let's put some oil here. Okay, some oil. Let it heat. It's going to take some time. Garlic, okay, and onion. Here we're going to put some groundnuts also. This is not usually done, but this is our modification. A lot of groundnuts actually. Then we need to stir it very well. Okay, so we are removing the pasta and we're gonna cook it. It's okay, Aslam, it's okay, it's okay. Let it go down. Okay, butter is here. Now we're gonna put our lettuce. That's right. And broccoli. Broccoli also. Okay, let's put some salt also, because salt is light. Very good. That means you have to just 1 egg. See, you have fiber, you have protein. You have natural oil also. I think we are not getting enough heat.